Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Pepper Spray Police Doesn't End Well by Midwest Safety.
Partner, come on.
What?
Come on.
What?
You're under arrest.
For what?
Because you and her.
For what? For what?
Don't pull away.
Dude,
You're under arrest.
are you kidding me? What am I under arrest for?
You just stole that shit.
I didn't steal anything. I'm leaving the buggy there.
No, you passed.
Yes, I am.
You passed.
Bro, I'm leaving the buggy there. Come on, please, sir. Please.
The officer's body cam shuts off due to the suspect's struggle. He is able to turn it back on a few seconds later. In the midst of both the suspect and the cop pepper spraying each other.
We got a pepper spray war?
Wrong person.
Come on.
Oh, shit.
Please stop. Please stop.
Get a car up at Walmart. Car up at Walmart. I'm in a fight.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah.
Free me, you man. I'm done. Stop, I'm done. I swear to God, I'm done. Sir, listen to me, please. Please, sir. Sir. Please, I need... Can I explain something to you, please? Sir, I had no choice. I had no choice but to do this.
Ma'am.
I was getting threatened.
Under arrest too.
Sir.
Ma'am, don't go anywhere.
Sir, please, listen to me.
I would have took off running so fast. How the fuck you gonna catch me? He pepper sprayed you. I'm good.
Please. Sir, come on, stop.
Get on the fucking ground.
The body cam shuts off yet again while backup is on the way. One officer is entering Walmart's parking lot at this exact moment, about 15 seconds away from the scene.
I would have been gone. Shout out to Walmart security, right?
Even steal anything.
Are you I got him.
I have a broken hand, dude. Jesus Christ.
Get on the fucking ground.
No! I'm trying. I have a broken fucking hand on the ground.
That shit burn.
Don't move. You understand?
If you ever want your sinuses cleared up, spray some pepper salt in your... I can't even get my words out, bro. Hell nah. We starting that shit over. I don't know.
Don't move. You understand?
Just start it over. 3, 2, 1. If you ever want to clear out your sinuses, just spray some mace in your face. That shit works every time. Oh.
She's going to get some water for you. Where'd the female go? Please.
He needs some milk.
I beg you. I swear to God.
He's got felonies all day long. Radio, I got one detained.
Dude, I'm so sorry.
Only thing you can do with that
Church, you want an ambulance?
is put some milk on it. Or blink your eyes real fast.
Oh my God.
The night was almost over, you
Dude, I was leaving the cart there. I was leaving the cart there. I swear to God. Oh my God.
The night was over. You can't fucking do that.
Oh my God.
Now you're fucked. You're fucked. Hey, church, we got him. We're
Oh
good.
my God.
All right. Feet down. Stand your ass up.
Oh. I have a ball in my pocket.
That cop over there going through it. That man's whooping his ass.
Just let you know.
A bowl?
A ball.
Like a bowl?
Like, yes. A pipe or no. I was being held
A bowl of what?
at gunpoint, I swear.
That's a whole meth pipe. How's that a...
Here at gunpoint?
Not here, but I was being told that if I don't go and do this and get this stuff for these people, I was gonna be getting killed. My family was gonna be getting hurt. And all types of shit, dude.
He was messing around.
Swear to God, I didn't even want to do it.
And meth and he just disappeared.
But that's why I was leaving the cart there. I'm such a piece of shit. I'm such a piece of fucking shit. Oh my God, I'm such a piece of shit.
on, Church.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with me.
Church need to go to the oh damn Church. Oh God.
Okay, Church?
I fucked me up. Hit me with pepper spray. Fucking got me good too.
He put it in your mouth. I see that your mouth was open.
Water on it, okay?
He needs some milk. Go in Walmart, get the gallon of milk and just pour it on there.
I'm just gonna throw him in here real quick.
Oh my God.
What are you crying about?
His shit, his eyes burning.
You need to fucking get clean. What needs to happen, bro?
Yeah.
I'm a piece of shit.
Yeah, you are.
W officer.
It's the end of the fucking night.
I ain't gonna lie, with some dumb shit always happen when I'm about to get off, boy, that should be pissing me off. Especially like when I used to do my loads and I get to my last load of the night or the day and that motherfucker don't fit and I gotta take it to another store 30 miles across the way and it's finna be traffic. Oh, I understand it.
Fucking end of the night. What a dick. His girl somewhere too.
What's she look like?
She's all wearing black. She's got a black puffy coat.
Open your eye.
Oh, fuck. I knew he was reaching in his pocket. I was gonna fucking shoot his ass. Oh, he's so fucking lucky I didn't kill him. His pepper spray's somewhere around here.
I got it.
Hey, I need to know what Brad, the pepper spray he had. not to use that on officers, but to use that on somebody where they want to fight on me and they want to start some shit. Just bing, 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 bing.
Oh, man.
Hit you with that mace.
And that burns. Is there more? He got me good, too. Full face.
Right here? Oh, yeah, we could probably sneak out of here. Yeah.
There's another person.
Yeah. All they know.
She's all the way over on the grocery side. They're in the minivan. All right, we're in SUV.
Shit.
She probably took off.
I would have took off. What? As soon as I would have seen my dude doing that, I would have you. Now watch me you.
No, we're good.
Dick. I can't see a fucking thing. He got me fucking good, man. Hope you feel better, brother.
Man, I hate he going through that, bro, because he didn't even have to go like that. He just could have arrested him, call it a night.
Are you hurting anywhere else, Church?
No, I just
your eyes?
Is there any more water?
He needs some milk.
I gotta stop getting fucking sprayed, man.
Oh, so this ain't your first time.
I see him reaching in his pocket. I was fucking going for my gun. I'm like, is he fucking pulling a knife on me? Yeah. He's so fucking lucky I didn't kill his ass.
All right.
Oh, I'm fucked up, dude.
He
got me. He blasted me fucking good. Oh, I'm gonna fucking throw up.
I don't pay y'all enough to be going through no shit like that.
Better take my gun. Go lock it in the car. I gotta go rinse my fucking face off with the slop stick.
Yeah, you want to just take your belt off?
I got it.
I got all.
You're good.
I'm gonna fucking throw up.
Oh boy, that officer finna file every charge that he could file on that man.
I'm gonna turn his body cam off. The squad's here for you, man.
You know you fucked up when you gotta go on your knees in there. That's not the place you want to go on your knees.
Yeah, I told him. Do you have all the information for this theft?
No, it just happened.
If you want to get that started, that way we can get our paperwork handled and then the squad's here for him. And then I'll come check on you in a little bit. Is that his?
Yeah.
Do you want me to just bring the squad in here? one of our specials got pepper sprayed. He's trying to rinse off as much as possible.
That's all we're gonna do.
Yeah, we did like, I don't know, 6 water bottles, and then he's doing milk now.
Milk.
He wanted milk.
I told y'all he needed some milk.
Goo goo gaga. I want milk.
He's in the slop sink right there.
You want the ambulance to clean your head off? Is it bleeding? Let me see. Look at me.
I can't. They can rinse your face and your
He said I can't.
You want that?
You do? All right.
Let them get church first, and then.
I don't even know where they went. All right. Where are they at?
Right at the entrance at the slop sink.
He got sprayed too, so they need to clean his head off.
Don't spit on me,
I
dude.
can't. You're fucking drowning me, dude. I'll take it down.
You're freaking drowning me.
In a court of law.
Those are his charges. And thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. We out.